A 52-week low was recently reached by the once soaring Tesla stock. And while the price of the company is gradually rising after a challenging few weeks, it is still uncertain what the future holds for Tesla stock. Hello everyone and happy return to all of it. Tesla shares. Since its stock dropped from 389.61 cents a share on September 18, 2017, Tesla's market capitalization has increased by more than $20 billion. The automaker's shares are currently undervalued and may see a cash flow problem as investors continue to pull out of the game. But proponents of Tesla, like Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas, see the company's decline as a great time for investors to buy. Others, like Dan Ives, think that Elon Musk's recent selling of Tesla stock could be a contributing factor to the stock's poor performance and the beginning of further valuation problems for the automaker. Why did Dan Ives say this? And may Tesla be facing worse times ahead? There will be more in this video, but first, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please remember to like, subscribe, and set on notifications to be informed about what Tesla is up to. Tesla's stock price fell lately when it was revealed that CEO Elon Musk had sold more shares of the company. As a result, the share price of the company has decreased by over 49 years. In a recent filing to the Securities and Exchange Commission, Musk stated that he had sold approximately 19,500,000 shares of Tesla over the course of 3 days in November, all of which were worth approximately $3.95 billion. Following this, Tesla shares dropped more than 7%, closing at 177.59, its lowest in about 2 years. This further plunged the company's share price, which was already at all-time lows. Musk made this latest sale just a few days after closing his deal to buy Twitter for roughly $44 billion. Keeping up with this news, several analyses, such as the wet brush analysis, Elon Musk's recent move to tarnish Tesla's stock story and potentially damage the brand due to his ongoing Twitter deal, has been met with dissatisfaction from Dan Ives. Ives cited the overhang from Musk's involvement with Twitter, which he described as a dark comedy show. As a result, Tesla stock was recently removed from Web Bush's list of best ideas. According to stock analysis, Musk is gradually moving Tesla from its massive position of strength and has managed to do what the bears have been trying unsuccessfully for years: crush Tesla stock on his own. However, Ives is sticking with his outperforming rating on Tesla stock and lowered his price target to $250 from $300 to reflect the overhang. Dan Ives stated that Musk's focus has shifted from Tesla to Twitter, and this has ultimately caused fear that the Twitter controversy will start to negatively change Tesla brand globally. Dan Ives highlighted how Musk's actions have had a significant influence on Tesla. Elon Musk is the world's richest man due to his ownership of Tesla. Ives went on to call Tesla the golden child of Musk's empire, noting that the automobile manufacturer has revolutionized the auto sector in a similar manner to how Apple's iPhone revolutionized the phone industry. Tesla is a top automaker in the UV market, as well as the automotive sector overall. In 2021, its market worth topped $1 trillion, surpassing the sum of the values of its 5 largest competitors. Volkswagen Toyota Tesla is doing exceptionally well. Even with the most compliance for Tesla to do better in Musk signaled plans to scale Tesla to the extreme while teasing the release of Tesla's Master Plan Part 3. Musk stated that the main subjects of Tesla will be scaling to extreme size, which is a move that is needed to shift humanity away from fossil fuels and toward AI. Tesla is not just a manufacturer of EVs. It also makes solar panels, batteries, and home power storage, all of which have contributed to its valuation as a company. Musk has high expectations for Tesla, but his new venture on Twitter and his choice to sell nearly $4 billion worth of Tesla stock to his company have left many investors wondering what will happen next. Some of the company's most important backers are even concerned about Musk's credibility. Ives has been critical of the Twitter deal, saying that it is one of the most overpaid in the history of the tech sector. As a result, Elon Musk paid so much for the platform, raising the doubts of many investors. The confirmation of Ives's concerns that Musk wasn't done selling stock increased the severity of his claims that the Twitter deal was an endless albatross hanging over the collective ass of Tesla shareholders. He claimed that the Twitter circus has been an utter disaster from every angle since Musk bought the platform. When will it end? Elon Musk has stated multiple times that he is done selling Tesla shares, but that hasn't worked out. In addition, a number of investors have purchased Tesla shares in response to Musk's grand vision, which he revealed during Tesla's Q3 earnings this year, and which calls for the company to eventually be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. In addition, Musk has promised a significant stock buyback for next year. Dan Ives also brought out the PR problems with Twitter, the firing of roughly 50 workers, and a number of other things that have transpired since Musk took over the social media platform. While he concentrates on Tesla and SpaceX, Dan Ives, who called Twitter a money pit, said that the best thing for Mozilla at the moment would be to have others with experience in social media focus on Twitter by developing a plan to monetize the network and retain advertisers. A number of additional analyses expressed their discontent with Musk's recent actions as managing partner at the Future Fund. In response to Download Suite regarding Musk's investment, Gary Black said that he had been warning about Musk's takeover of Twitter for the previous 6 months. He also said that Musk's skill set is still unsuitable for Twitter because the platform deals more with growing ads than it does with production or engineering issues. He said that Musk must designate an advertising specialist to oversee the platform as he wrapped up his tweet. The managing partner of Loop Fund, Gene Munster, also called Twitter a money pit for the upcoming year. However, popular YouTuber and Tesla investor Dave Lee has a different take, saying that Elon Musk's skill set is ideal for fixing Twitter. Lee added that Musk's expertise in engineering, innovation, and product revamping is exactly what Twitter needs, and Musk excels at these things. Although Lee is fairly optimistic about Musk's work with Twitter, he noted that the project will require more time and energy than Musk initially anticipated, along with the fallout from unpopular decisions made along the way. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jones stated that he believes the declining stock prices are one of the buying opportunities that many investors have been waiting for. Dan Alex has expressed his belief in Tesla because of the company's consistent revenue growth. However, he has cautioned that while he supports Tesla's electric vehicle narrative, the company's approximately 25% sell-off since the Twitter deal presents a challenging cycle for investors to navigate and has placed significant pressure on the company's stock price. Ives cautioned, however, that Musk shouldn't take investors' faith lightly, let alone waste it needlessly on Twitter. He stated that Musk needs to examine himself in the mirror and put an end to his constant roundabout behavior regarding Twitter's overhang surrounding the Tesla story. Now that I've spoken about my thoughts regarding Twitter's overhang and what Musk needs to do to stop the impact on Tesla, it's time to return the focus to Tesla in what should be a strong quarter of growth and momentum into 2023 with 2 million units. The major obstacle for 2023 is still optimism. Tesla Ball only seems to be concerned about possible brand destruction for Tesla if appropriate measures are not taken. But what do you think? Do you think Musk made a mistake by selling some more Tesla shares for Twitter? Let us know down below, and don't forget to let us know what you think of Tesla. If you want to learn more about what Tesla has been up to in the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. We'll see you there. Tesla then Ives remained bullish on Tesla. According to him, this view remains unchanged. Music.